friends, thanks so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name's Lainey. If you're not, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing my outfits of the week at 8.5 months pregnant. So as you could guess by now, a lot of my clothes aren't fitting, and getting dressed in the fall is a lot harder than getting dressed in the summer and making your clothes work. Also, I'm trying to use a mic because I just feel like you can hear me better, and I'm so out of breath that I can't scream, so I just have to whisper. I think I just got burnt outside because my outfit, if you can't tell by today, Monday, it is 75 degrees outside. It is so hot. I want to show you guys my outfits I'm going to wear this week, and before we get any further into this video, I want to say thank you so much to Lulu's for sponsoring this video. They seriously hooked a girl up. I am so prepared now for the fall time and being about to bust. I can't believe how big my bump looks in this outfit. It's so cute. We don't have the full outfit on yet, obviously, but this little matching set is from Lulu's. I feel like sizing is helpful. Pre-pregnancy, I was a size small, extra small most of the time. I'm 5'7". Gonna give those measurements if you're also pregnant because I know it can help. And this set is in a size medium. I'm 8.5 months pregnant. My belly has room to grow in this for sure. It doesn't feel too tight. Fits my legs. I like that these two meet and my belly's not out and about. It's so cute. Okay, what shoes should we pair with this? In my head, if this wasn't realistic what I'm gonna wear today, I would go for boots or something, but we're gonna be realistic. So probably tennis shoes, and I think I know a cute pair. I think that this looks really, really cute together. It is so simple, but matching sets, you're gonna be able to tell from this week, are my absolute favorite. So today, this is all I'm gonna wear it as, and then I'm probably gonna carry my basket because I carry it every single day. But I also think that this could look really cute with a jean jacket over top. If I need a wool coat over top, I could do that, or even a cardigan. Honestly, any coat would look cute over this, and it'll definitely be how I'll be able to style it further into the fall. It's just really hot today, so I can get away with this. Okay, if we thought yesterday was hot, today it is going to be 77 degrees. It's going to be almost 80 degrees and sunny, so it's going to be so hot outside. So we've got another little knit item from Lulu's, and I was worried that I was only going to be able to wear this to lounge around the house because it was going to already be too cold by the time I got it. Lo and behold, it is 80 degrees out. The thing is, this comes with a little cardigan. Let me show you. I opened this box with my mom because all these pieces I know we're going to be sharing, and she was feeling the quality, and she was like, oh my god, so soft. All the pieces are so soft, but especially this dress and cardigan combo, they feel like butter. I don't know how to describe it other than butter. It is affordable luxury for sure from Lulu's. I mean, these pieces look so chic together. I'm very obsessed, but I will not be able to wear this cardigan today, so let's take that off. So we've got slouchy socks on again. These ones are actually from Los Angeles Apparel. They're super nice, and I wear them all the time. I think the same ones on yesterday, but maybe they were white, maybe they're the same color, I don't know. When I wear a dress like this, not that it feels mature, but with my belly, I feel like I just look old, so I want to go for a trendier shoe. So we're gonna add on my black Adidas Sambas. I used to just be able to slip my shoes on, but my feet are so swollen now, I have to untie and tie them every single time, and it makes filming 1,000 times harder. Okay, so I think the basket would be really cute with this. It's almost too similar of a color with the dress, so I think a black bag. We're gonna go with my black Harley Davidson bag because I just like to have a bigger bag on me so I can carry all my snacks and whatever. I can't believe you can see my belly button now through all my clothes because it's popped out, but so cute. Happy Tuesday. I started filming and felt like I was screaming because I didn't have my mic yet. Happy Wednesday. We've got a lot going on right now, is what I was saying. It's literally a trend to you wear your pants unzipped and unbuttoned. Not normally to the fullest extent. They cannot be zipped at all, but who the heck cares? I make my own rules here, and to me it's kind of cute because I'm obviously pregnant and it just looks like she's making do with what she has, and I'm gonna keep telling myself that so I can keep wearing this denim skirt in the fall because that's when it literally thrives. This really pretty turtleneck over it that honestly feels so expensive, but it's not. It's from Lulu's, so it's very affordable. My skirt is thrifted. This sweater covers the bottom, so like it's not really out and about like part of the outfit, but if, you know, if my sweater rides up or if you see it, I don't mind. I think it's cute. What shoes do I plan on wearing? Because realistically, all these days, I've either just gone like grocery shopping, thrift shopping with my mom. Like, I'm not really doing much. I think black cowboy boots would be so effing cute with this, or my knee-high boots, but like realistically, I just don't think that's what I'm gonna wear. I just don't think I want to put Sambas on again. We could do my 550s. Between 550s or loafers, I think. Let's try things out. Okay, not that I feel like I look old or like I'm old, but I'm only 23, and for some reason, sometimes the belly and how I dress together just makes me feel a little bit like I'm dressing too old for my age and how I act. So I feel like the NMDs like make this outfit look a lot younger. It's effing cute. Like, it's so cute. Also, I like to keep my hair tucked into turtlenecks. It's honestly the only way I like to wear my hair when I wear turtlenecks. And in the winter, like, it's so cute to do that. Let's just add the Birkin basket. Something about the denim skirt and the Birkin basket is literally like to die for. Also, my 550s, I like don't ever wear them in the summer, and then as soon as it hits fall and winter, they're like go-to. I don't know why, they just don't feel like a summer sneaker to me. So cute. See you guys tomorrow. Hey friends. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this outfit, but I guess it's proof that I wear it. And I like did my hair in a little bun with a little ribbon. So I changed it up specifically for you guys. So originally, when I had this outfit in mind, I was like, oh, I'll pair it with my black Sambas because I don't like to feel too like certain aesthetic. And this just screams like coastal grandmother. So like the black Sambas kind of throw it off. But now with the ribbon, our black Samba's still the move. I'm gonna say yeah. This sweater's Everlane and these are Abercrombie. Neither of them are available on the sites anymore because they're old, or these aren't old, but they're just already sold out. So I'm sorry. And what would I wear with this? None other than my Harley Davidson black purse. Because between my Birkin basket and this, I wear nothing else. Hey everybody, happy Friday! Does this outfit look kind of like a rendition of every other one? Because that's what it feels like. I'm just very much obsessed with being comfy and cozy right now. And I have literally nothing going on today. But because we're filming this video and because this is new to me, I decided to put on this little matching set from Lulu's. It is so cute. I can definitely like go out of the house in this and be out and about. I also got it in black. I'll probably wear that Sunday when I have nothing to do. This literally just feels like PJs. I am obsessed. I think actually with this today, let's style it like we're gonna go out. But I'm not going out, besides like taking Ernie potty, but we'll style it for you guys. Let's add my little loafers, and I think without the socks, honestly. It's honestly sad I'm not going anywhere because this outfit's really cute, and I actually like how this looks a lot. I wasn't expecting that because sometimes the like gaucho, I mean these really aren't gauchos, just the wide leg pants that don't go all the way to the floor I feel like aren't the most flattering on me, but for some reason these just work with like, I just look clean and put together, and I literally haven't washed my hair this whole week, so I'm not clean and put together right now, but this is so cute. I feel like I could layer a jacket over it if we wanted to because it's colder outside today. Like the wool trench could be cute. Let's try the wool trench. Obsessed. I love how this looks. And realistically, if I'm gonna be wearing like wool trench, this kind of outfit, I probably wouldn't even grab a purse. And I just put like my wallet and keys in my pocket, and I want to live it up for as long as I can without packing like a pack mule before my daughter comes and I'm gonna have a fat diaper bag 24/7. Yeah, but I'm actually so obsessed with how this outfit turned out. I really thought this was just gonna be like a blah, like these are my PJs kind of day, but Lulu's effing kills it with knits and knit sets. Like, check them out. Oh, I forgot to say the sizes this whole time. I'll put them on screen. I can't see you guys. Happy Saturday. I'm feeling good because I washed my hair. So it's actually kind of cold out today, so the fact that I decided to put on tube dress is a little stupid. I'm going downtown today and we are just gonna walk around, so I wanted to dress cute since I don't do things much anymore. So I have to put probably a sweater and a jacket over this to be warm enough, and then a pair of boots. So let's go through and see what we got that can make this work, because I've got my normal bra on too with this because I just need to be held in right now, okay? So I made it work with what we've got right now. We have this tube dress from Free People. Underneath it, I put on kind of like a Under Armour, what's it called? Long underwear, long sleeve shirt. I have this little plaid jacket that's thrifted, these black cowboy boots that are thrifted, but the brand's Ariat, and then my Harley Davidson black leather purse that is thrifted. Let's hope that I'm warm enough. And I absolutely called it. I am in the same outfit I wore 2 days ago, but the black version. It's freaking cute. It's freaking comfy. I'm not doing anything today, and I'm honestly really tired. Filming every day this week has been that and growing a baby inside me, but whatever. I tried to do my hair up because I was like, this is just so boring, so I put a little ribbon in my French braid today. Got my Bose headphones because I've been wearing them all day, and I was just like, I'll keep them on. So this is the Lulu set, like I said. So soft, so comfortable. I'm gonna be living in this postpartum for sure. I'm really happy that I stuck with like a size medium because the stretch is so great on all of these clothes. And then just because I've been running in and out to let Ernie potty, I've just been throwing on, these are Boston Clog Birkenstock dupes. They're the brand White Mountain. They don't sell them anymore. I literally linked like the crap out of them last year when I found them off Famous Footwear, and they were like, they went on sale all the way to like $14 or something insane. They're like real suede and everything, but they don't sell them anymore, which absolutely sucks because they're such a good dupe. I can like see through my links how many we sold of these, and it was over 1,000. And I just like to think that I made White Mountain absolute bank, and I got nothing for it besides a pair of clogs I paid for. Okay, I'm just joking. That was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to check out Lulu's for all your fall necessities at such affordable prices and amazing quality. I'm going to be wearing these pieces nonstop. You'll definitely see them more on my YouTube channel and see them on my Instagram, especially because we've kind of come to the part in pregnancy where this is just like my capsule wardrobe because nothing else fits. So showing you guys like new pieces every day this week was really hard because normally I'll just wear like those Abercrombie pinstripe pants every single day, but I'm glad I have new pieces that fit to put in my rotation. You can check out any of the products I mentioned in the description box down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you guys in a few days. I love you so much. Bye.